I'm gonna be showing you guys how to level up your resin rock tables and things like that. Or just clean up your Petoskey stones, your pudding stones, any of your really cool finds, your agates, any of that stuff. I go rock hounding in the Great Lakes. I'm from Michigan, and I do these signature Petoskey tables and coasters and keychains and desks and things like that, right? What's up, you guys? My name is Nita. I am a resin artist. I have over 5 years experience in working with epoxy resin. I specialize in clear encapsulation pours. This is my everything. I love doing this. This is the one part of my work that I can actually include the whole family in, and they really like going out to the beach and collecting rocks and doing those fun things. And it's just something that we can do as a family. So rock hounding has been one of my passions since I knew I could rock hound. All right, you guys, so let's get into it. It's super easy. 3 ingredients are gonna level up your rock find. I'm also gonna show you guys some before and afters of why would you even want to do that, okay? Let's get into it. We're gonna fill it up halfway with water, okay? And I want you to see just how these come to life. I want you to see how these come to life. So, chain coral went out because I want to see that one too. All right, so we're just gonna fill this up halfway with water. And you can see already how they come to life. Like, oh, that's why I picked that. You know what I mean? But you'll see even more in a minute. That driftwood. I didn't mean for that to get wet. All right, so I'm gonna do now our secret sauce, vinegar. All right, so now vinegar, watch. So we got it filled halfway with water. Then we're gonna go the rest of the way and just get all the floaties out. All right, so if you can see, it's already eating away at the extra stuff. You see that? Yup. You see it? And I want this guy in there. Alright, so she's doing her thing. She is working, doing her thing. I'm gonna spin this around. There. You got to get the vinegar down, down, down. From there, we're going to put a little bit of Dawn dish soap in. Then we're going to spin that around too. And we're gonna let it do its thing. We're gonna let this sit for about a day or two. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit for about a day or two. And then we're gonna come back to it. But let's do the before and after jar, okay? I'm just gonna take some of the solution without the leaves. Maybe. All right, so here's the before. Before, 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 what else? Before, 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 before. 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 That's really cool. It's got a layered before. Before. We might not be able to add a bunch more. We'll do this one. Before. Before. I really want to add. Here, I'm going to add this one on the top of the bucket. That's a before. And this one as well. So that's a before. So then we're going to try to add these ones. And I'm just going to fill it up to the rim with a little bit more vinegar. There we go. Cap it. And, oh no, I missed one. I'm not sure that it'll fit though. You can see it doing its thing though. So let's see if this one will fit. Before. All right, let them do its thing. I will come back periodically and shake it. Of it. I'll come back. This is not a watertight jar, but it's okay. All right, so here is the formula just kind of doing its thing. It eats away at all the extra and it makes everything pop. This has been setting for 2 days, so now I'm going to get all of the solution poured out as soon as I get my dog out of the way. And once I get all that vinegar and dish soap and water off of there, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put these in some clean water. And you're going to want to do this with all of them. Basically, my wife probably doesn't like it, but I put them in the bathtub and then I just spray them down. I got a detachable shower head and I just spray them all down. And then I kind of just put them in a towel and bring them out to the shop and I let them dry out. Look at these. All right, so these are the afters of what I showed you before. Remember, I got a small group of rocks and I did a before. These are the afters. All of the lines are way more like pronounced, right? The darks are darker. The fossils are just, they pop. The druzy is more sparkly. Don't worry about me just making up my own words here. That is I. That's what I do. Anyways, if you're new here, you'll get it. Stick around. These things are awesome. Look at these. Holy crap. God, they're so pretty. All right, this is my favorite by far, the honeycomb. It is so pretty. Look at those. All right, well, I really want to know if this worked out for you guys. Is this something that you have tried before? Look at how much more defined those lines are. And look at this Petoskey stone right here. Watch the other side. Woo, that's crazy. All right, chain coral. You see how that chain just like pops right out of the rock? Yes. This works really good on Petoskey stones. A lot of people don't know this trick, and a lot of people do. It can get, like if I was to do more vinegar, it would get some of that yellow out of there, but I don't mind that. The yellow Petoskey stones are going to stay yellow, but I'm talking about like extra stuff, like the extra stuff. You can soak them a little bit longer. I don't like to soak them too long because it'll eat away at the pretty stuff, and I don't want that. I just want a little bit more pronounced Petoskey's in fossils, right? Especially the agates. Like this just cleans it up so nice. Like you couldn't see in there like that before I did this. You couldn't see in there like that. You know what I'm saying? That is so pretty. All right, well, I am going to make some charcuterie boards out of these. I do olive wood ocean charcuterie boards. This one's really cool too. Look at that. It's like tubes. So these are the ones that I'm cleaning right now. Look at that. And this one has like a little sand dollar right here. Look at that. That's crazy. You see? Petoskey's. Some Petoskey's. We don't just grab dumb shit. We grab pretty. So what you'll get in your box is just an assortment of finds. Okay? Because I know a lot of people want to make the Petoskey tables and the stuff like I do. They just don't have access to the kind of rocks that I do. And I love rock hounding. So, yeah, I thought that I'd do this. I've had people been asking me for a very long time, like, Nita, can you do this? And I wasn't prepared to do anything like that yet. So these got to soak for another probably 30 hours. And then get ready to go out. Look at that Petoskey sun. I will keep you all posted and updated. I like the flat stones for I like the reds and oranges as well. Look at this one. All right, so just how you saw me do the before and after jar, you're gonna rinse all of the rocks with water until there's no more bubbles from the dish soap, until there's no more bubbles. Okay, so just how you saw me do with the small jar of the before and after, you're gonna rinse all of the rocks in clean water. And you're gonna do that till you don't see any more bubbles from the dish soap. And then they're going to pop. You're welcome. If you're interested in buying a box of rocks, they're linked somewhere around here or in the description. And if you're just here to clean your own, I cannot wait to see how this formula worked out for you guys. I know that I love it. It's super easy. You kind of just do it, wait a day or 2 days. I usually do 2 days. Sometimes at the end of the first day, I'll add a little bit more vinegar just to get it sizzling back up. All right, so that's it. It's just super easy, and it's a good way to just level up. It makes your lines linier and your corals coralier. Enjoy. If this worked for you, drop a comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more content like this. I will catch y'all on the flip side. If you're interested in learning resin, how to do it, how to do waves, how to do techniques, down below. I'm also going to link up my resin e-courses. I have some very informative epoxy resin courses, whether you're a beginner or you just want to level up your technique. I got something for everybody. I'm getting ready to do a flower encapsulation course and a woodworking course where I show you guys how I do my Petoskey tables and charcuterie boards. I'm so excited for that. All right, you guys, it has been so fun to be able to show you guys how to do something new. If you already knew how to do this, good for you. See you guys next time. Drop a comment, press that like button. Bye.